Hello students, this is Pawan, I'm from Pharmacology. Today we are going to discuss about human embryonic development or embryogenesis. What is embryogenesis? Embryogenesis is the development and formation of embryo. Okay. Why we have to study about the human embryonic development? Because our whole body developed from embryo. That's why we have to study. Here we can see definition of embryogenesis. Embryogenesis is the development and formation of embryo. Okay, formation of embryo. And another point is this human embryonic development covers the first 8 weeks of development and which have some stages. Okay, it covers first 8 weeks of development and which have some stages later we will discuss about the stages. And another point is after complete the 8 weeks, at the beginning of ninth week at the beginning of ninth week at the beginning of ninth week, the embryo is termed as a fetus. Okay, the embryo termed as a fetus. And in comparison to the embryo, in comparison to the embryo, the fetus has more recognizable external features and more complete set of developing organs. Okay, the fetus has more external features, recognizable external features, developing organs, set of developing organs. Okay, set of external features and developing organs. Here come to the point. Here we will discuss about stages. Have some stages. Okay, stages. Human embryonic development has some stages. In these stages, first one is fertilization. When we will start fertilization, we have to know about the sperm and egg. Okay, see, this is the day one, and stage one is the fertilization. Okay, fertilization. So before we starting the fertilization, we have to know about the sperm and egg. This is the ovum, also known as ovum. Okay, we can define fertilization. The sperm fuses to the egg to form a zygote. Here, the sperm has some genetic material and egg has some genetic material from female, means mother, to form a zygote. This is a single cell. This is diploid. Okay. Here, before starting the stages, we have to know about the basic structure of sperm and basic structure of the egg. This is also known as ovum. And another important topic is cell division. Okay, cell division. Why we will study this about cell division? Because the single zygote divides into two cells, and again it will divide into four, then up to making a trillion of cells. These cells are together to form tissues. All tissues are together to form organs. So that's why we have to study about the cell division and sperm and egg. So before we starting the stages, we have to know about the sperm and egg. So we will discuss about the sperm in next video. Please watch and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support me friends. Thank you so much. Don't miss the videos.